Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you add Afterpay to PayPal. So let's get into the video. Okay, so open up your PayPal and log into your account. So once you've already logged into your account, so if you want to add PayPal, like there is no direct ways how you can add Afterpay on PayPal. So, but what we can do as a workaround is that you can add your Afterpay card to PayPal. So how you can do that? So what you can do, you can go to your wallet option here. So when you get to your wallet option here, you can click on link a card. You can click this link a card option here, and then here what you can do, you can just type in your Afterpay card number and your details, and then you can try link this card. And that's the because this is the only workaround or way that how you can add Afterpay to PayPal, as there is no direct ways, or PayPal doesn't allow any direct ways to do this. So give it a go and see how it goes, and hope this information is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.